Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to reset Windows 10 apps to fix any issues. So as if you want to reset Windows 10 apps to fix any issues, so very easy. Firstly click on start, after click on settings, after click on apps and click on apps and fixtures. Scroll down and here click on, after click on advanced option. After click on reset. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your profiles and screen details. Click on reset. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to reset Windows 10 apps for fix any issues. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.